Hola, hola, seniors. What's up? Class of 2022. Dang, you guys. I can't even believe it. Class of 2022. Wow. Well, this is your year, seniors. Welcome to it. And it's almost done, but the best is yet to come. And the best includes what I'm about to tell you about right now. So on March 2nd, we have a full site-wide testing day. So on Wednesday, March 2nd, everyone is testing something. Freshmen, sophomores, juniors, and yes, you seniors, everyone is going to test or practice testing something. So I'm here to let you know about what the seniors are going to be doing on Wednesday 2nd. So let me share my screen and let you know what is happening, what's on the menu for you on this day. So, all right, let me share my screen, start my slideshow. Okay, so seniors, this is what's going on for you. First of all, it is an early release Wednesday. So you must report on campus at 8:30 a.m. And everyone will be released to go home at 1:05 p.m. So again, early release, everyone's done at 1:05 p.m. on Wednesday, March 2nd. What is it that you'll be testing? So most of you are taking the CAST, the California Science Test. You may recall that some of you had the opportunity to sign up to take the SAT, and very, very few of you did. I mean, I want to say maybe a handful out of all seniors signed up to take it, which is okay. That's totally fine. But you're not going to get out of testing. So if you signed up to take the SAT, stay with me. I'll let you know what you need to do. But for the vast majority of our seniors, you will be taking the CAST, the California Science Test. So to find out where you need to report, we've divided you up by your English class. So for example, if you are in Mr. Sepulveda's first period class, then you are going to be testing over here on the left. For example, that class will be testing with Mr. Cox in room 504. So your teachers will be dropping this slides presentation in your Google Classrooms. You'll have access to this slide deck. And if you click on these links, you'll be able to see this a lot better. And make sure you do, because from now until March 2nd, there might be changes. So make sure you're checking this document periodically. Again, looking at who your English teacher is and where you're assigned to test, and you must be there by 8:30 a.m. So what is the CAST? So of course, the last 2 years we were in a pandemic, we didn't do state testing, but for the first time in 2 years, we are doing it this year. So seniors, you almost got out of all of the state testing. Our poor juniors have to do it all. But you, my friends, you only are going to have to do one test, and that is the California Science Test. So in order to best prepare you for the science test, on Wednesday, March 2nd, you're basically going to take a practice version of this exam. And it's going to cover earth and space science, life science, and physical science. Again, you will have a copy of this slides presentation, and this flyer right here is clickable. If you click on this link, you can actually take the science test, the science practice test, as many times as you like, and have access to all of the resources to best prepare you for it. So what are you going to need on this day? So it's going to be very important that on Wednesday, March 2nd, you come to school on time and that you bring a few things with you. Number one, you need your SSID. So you need your state student ID number, and you can access that yourself by logging into your Aries account. And it's not your student ID. So most of you have a student ID that probably starts with like 20000 something something. It's not that number. It is the next number underneath. So you'll have to log into your Aries account, write it down on a piece of paper, and that's the SSID number that you will use to access the practice test. Then you're going to need a Chromebook. This is a digital computer-based test. So you're going to need a Chromebook. Please make sure it's charged. Bring your charger and bring your headphones because you're going to need all that. Okay. After the CAST is over, so the CAST should only take you about an hour and a half, 2 hours to take. So we've allotted 2 hours for you to dive into the cast. We've also tried to make our proctors science teachers. And since it's a practice test, science teachers is up to you, but they could walk you through the test and kind of refresh your memory, because at this point, many of you haven't taken science for 1 or 2 years. So it could be a good refresher for you. But after the cast, then you will cycle through the theater for a senior presentation with Miss Aguirre. So group A, so again, you'll have access to this. Click on this link to see if you're in group A, group B, or group C, and you will go into the theater for about a 40-minute presentation on all the things you need to know about senior stuff, graduation, senior package, photos, whatever, all the senior stuff. You're going to get information about all of that. And that's it. SAT people, I will put a link on the bottom of this slides presentation so that you can access what you'll need for the SAT. All right. Okay, familia, seniors, we love you. You got a little bit left. Hang in there and give it all you got. And we will see you on March 2nd. All right. Adios.